In this video, we are asked to show that log x squared multiplied by y in base 4 is equal to log x in base 2 plus half of log y in base 2. So we have that log x squared multiplied by y, or in base 4, is equal to log x in base 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log y in base 2. Now, at this point, let's consider the left-hand side. We have that log x squared multiplied by y is in base 4. Now, at this point, we can apply the concept of change of base, choosing base 2 as a convenient base. We have that this expression becomes log x squared multiplied by y, or in base 2, divided by log 4 in base 2. So this can further be expressed as log x squared multiplied by y in base 2. If I express 4 in the powers of base 2, we have that log 2 to the power of 2, or in base 2. Now this becomes log x squared multiplied by y in base 2, or divide by 2 multiplied by log 2 to base 2. Now recall that logarithm to its base is 1, so log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. So therefore, we have it that this becomes log x squared multiplied by y, or in base 2, is divided by 2 times 1. The expression now reduces to log x squared times y in base 2 divided by 2. Now at this point, we can apply the addition law of logarithm on our numerator. So we have that log x squared in base 2 plus log y in base 2 will be divided by 2. Now note that if I have log AB in base C, this can be expressed as log A in base C plus log B in base C. So therefore, we have this to become 2 log x, or in base 2, plus log y, or in base 2, all divided by 2. Now, if we divide each of the term by 2, we have it that this becomes 2 log x to base 2 divided by 2 plus log y to base 2 divided by 2. So at this point, 2 can cancel out 2. So we are left with log x in base 2 plus 1 divided by 2 log y in base 2. First, we have shown that log x squared multiplied by y in base 4 is equal to log x in base 2 plus 1 divided by log y in base 2. Please, if you found value in the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.